Hey guys, welcome back to video 3. So in this video, we're just going to go over what software is needed, where to download them, and how to download them. So we're going to be needing VirtualBox. We're going to be needing the OSSIM download. We're going to be getting Ubuntu server so we can set up a web server using the LAMP stack and all that stuff later on, and Kali Linux, so that's what we're going to use for our client machine. Right? But you can use Windows 10, whatever you want, but this is what I'm using and what I'm going to be downloading. All right. So first things first, I want to go ahead and I'll let you guys see. I already downloaded them right here. But the first place you need to go is to virtualbox.org, and you can download for Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris, etc. There's many options. And another thing, make sure you download the VirtualBox extension pack. I actually have to download that, right? So I'm going to download that and put that in my software needed just to have it. Okay, so once we install that, we're going to go ahead and install the extension pack as well. Okay, so that's the first download that we need. So the second thing we need to do is download the OSSIM download. All you have to do is download the ISO. Once you download the ISO, and all these links will be in the description below, and you can just, take a screenshot and just Google them, or however you want to get them. Okay, we just need those for the course. So the third thing is we're going to need to get Ubuntu server. You can just go to ubuntu.com/download/server. There's desktop, but make sure you get the server, because we want to install, a web server, we want to have an SSH server, and some other fun stuff that we're going to learn along the way. Okay, so the latest one as of this video is 22.10, and like I showed you guys, and I have 22.04. I guess that's the latest right here. Sorry, this is some alternatives, but just download the latest stable version. Okay, so the last thing we can do is download Kali. What I did, I downloaded Kali's VM right here. So, you can download the ISO and install it by yourself, but why go through the headache when you can just download the virtual machine? So once you go to downloads and you just hit virtual machines, it'll bring you right to the pre-built virtual machine. If you're using VirtualBox, just download the VirtualBox. If you're using VMware, download the VMware. And if you're using QNUM, you download that one. But you should be using VirtualBox or VMware. So that's pretty much concludes this video. It was a very short, quick video, nothing really too crazy. So the next video, we're going to be starting the installation. That's when the fun stuff starts. We're going to install our server. So stay tuned for that. And thank you so much again. And I really appreciate all your support for becoming a member and watching these videos. Thank you so much. And until next time, have an awesome day. Thank you.